Welcome back to Jeju Diaries. Today we are heading to the stunning Saeyeon Bridge. This beauty is located in Seogwipo and it is a total must-see. Connecting Seogwipo Port to Saeseom Island, it is a bridge that is as charming as it is functional. Finding parking is easy here. Just head to the Seogwipo Maritime Park lot right in front of the submarine and cruise ship ticket office. And the best part is that it is free parking, so you can explore without worrying about a thing. I wonder where that ferry is going. Maybe it is taking people to a secret island paradise. I'm mesmerized by this view. The sun is shining, the sky is a brilliant blue, and the waves are gently lapping against the shore. It is so peaceful and serene here. I could just sit and watch these waves roll in all the day. Just look at this bridge. It is absolutely massive. The cables holding it up are like giant steel ropes, and the concrete base looks like it could withstand anything. It is incredible how they managed to build something so strong and sturdy in such a beautiful location. The sky is a perfect blend of blue and white, with fluffy clouds drifting by. The water is so calm, like a giant mirror reflecting the sky and the buildings. And look at that ferry. It is like a little toy boat gliding across the water. This is such a peaceful and relaxing scene. I could stay here for hours. You can also see the area formed by the hardening of lava flowing in the direction of the sea. At the end of this 169-meter long beautiful bridge, there is a small square with two tall pine trees that adds up to the beauty of this place. You can see the view of Seogwipo Port at a glance from here. Going downwards, and you will find yourself on an uninhabited bird island. This place is open all the time and is a famous night attraction at Jeju Island. The bridge is absolutely stunning at night. The different lights make it look like something out of a fairy tale. It is like a giant, glowing archway rising up from the water. And look at all those people. It is clear that this is a popular spot for enjoying the night view. I can see why. It is absolutely magical. A lively family show also takes place right here by the port. The atmosphere is electric with bubbles filling the air. Kids laughing, and parents enjoying a moment of pure joy with their families. This show is a treat for both the young and the young at heart. The magician on stage is doing an incredible job, creating mesmerizing bubble tricks that have everyone captivated. Look at how those bubbles dance in the sunlight, forming magical shapes that float above the crowd. It is like a scene out of a dream. Just a few steps away, there is a little girl chasing bubbles with so much joy that you can't help but smile. This place isn't just about the views and the bridge. It is about creating memories like these that last a lifetime. As the show continues, more and more people gather around, entranced by the spectacle. It is a wonderful reminder of how the simplest things, like a bubble show, can bring so much happiness. Whether you are here for the stunning landscapes or just to soak in the local culture, moments like these make the experience all the more special. And that's a wrap for this trip. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable journey of the beautiful Saeyeon Bridge. See you in the next episode of Jeju Diaries.